Remove duplicates from a sorted array. In this, we have given a set of numbers in an array which contain duplicates elements. So we have to return the number of unique elements and the array which contains unique elements. So before coding, let's understand the approach. In this code, we have to remove the duplicates from a sorted array. So this is initial nums and final nums. In initial nums, we will move I pointer from 0 up to n, and in the final nums we will make a k pointer which will be moved. In the initial nums, if nums of I and nums of I plus 1 is equal, then we have to skip it. We will increment the I pointer. If nums of I and nums of I plus 1 is not same, then we will, in the final nums, we will put this value, means nums of I which is 0, nums of I which is 0. So we will increment the I pointer and the k pointer as well. So here nums of I and nums of I plus 1 is same, so we will not increment the k but increment the I. Here nums of I and nums of I plus 1 is same, so increment the I pointer just. Here nums of I and nums of I plus 1 is not same, so in k we will put this value, means nums of I, and I is incremented and k is also incremented. Here nums of I and nums of I plus 1 is same, so only I will increment it. Here nums of I and nums of I plus 1 is different, so we will put the nums of I value here and increment k as well as I. Here nums of I and nums of I plus 1 is same, so increment just I. Here nums of I and nums of I plus 1 is not same, so we will put the nums of I will be here, increment k as well as I. Here there is no nums of I, so in the last stage we will directly put the value. So this is our final nums array. So let's code this. After understanding the approach, we have to return the code. So let's make a k index which points to 0 and for loop and starting from 0, I is less than the size minus 1, comma I plus plus. The size is minus 1 of the total size. So write the condition if nums of I is not equals to nums of I plus 1, then make the nums of k is equals to nums of I and initialize the k as well. After exhausting the for loop, uh, the last integer is remained. So nums of that k stored the nums of stored the last index here. So the nums of nums dot size minus 1 is stored in nums of k. So array is returned and also we have to return the value. So return k plus 1. Run the code. Test cases are accepted. Let's submit it. It is successfully submitted. Thank you.